So we want the minimum input for the maximum output. So feet shoulder width apart, and if you can have your hands down by your side just for a few moments, that'd be great. Okay, principle of gravity, you're held up by the earth, you don't have to hold yourselves up. So think about energy coming up through the floor and through the center of your foot, up through your ankles, up through your calves, your knees are like sponges. Energy comes up through the thighs and transfers to the pelvic girdle. Your spine, structurally, is the central support of your body, extending from the coccyx down here to the occiput and the atlas in the back of your head. So reach back and find the indentation, the one you came with, not any acquired ones. And that's where your head balances on your neck. Do you know how much your head weighs?
8 pounds.
Very good. 8 pounds. It's a small Thanksgiving turkey sitting up there. I worked at a consulting firm, they told me their heads weighed 25 pounds. They clearly thought they had a lot of gray matter. Okay, so from that balance point, just nod your head. It's not your head and your neck, it's just your head. It's a little movement. Good, and make a circle with your nose. And the other direction. Good, if your spine extended through your head, it would come out about here. Think of yourselves as being held up by a string. Yeah. So you're being held up by a string. There's an upward energy up the back where that string is. There's a downward energy down the front, down through your hands and your fingers. Good. The chest is open but relaxed. And the last image is that there's air circulating under your arms. It's just an image that prevents the death grip. Okay, y'all look very nice. Are you breathing?